Welcome to the vibrant world of Moroccan cuisine, where every bite tells a story of tradition, culture, and flavor. Nestled in the heart of North Africa, Morocco boasts a culinary heritage that is as diverse as it is delicious. Influenced by Berber, Arab, and French culinary traditions, Moroccan cuisine is a harmonious blend of savory spices, fragrant herbs, and fresh ingredients. One of the most enchanting aspects of Moroccan gastronomy is its street food culture. From the bustling markets of Marrakech to the coastal towns of Essaouira, the streets of Morocco are alive with the sights, sounds, and smells of culinary delights. Street food isn't just about nourishment in Morocco, it's a way of life, a celebration of community, hospitality, and shared experiences. As you navigate the labyrinthine alleys of Moroccan medinas and souks, you'll encounter a world of tantalizing flavors and mouth-watering aromas. Each bite of Moroccan street food offers a glimpse into the rich tapestry of Moroccan culture, from the iconic tagines and couscous to the aromatic mint tea and sweet pastries. Join us on a culinary journey through the streets of Morocco as we explore the vibrant world of Moroccan street food and discover the hidden gems that await around every corner. Let's dive deeper into the enchanting world of Moroccan street food and explore some of the most iconic and mouth-watering dishes that grace the streets of Morocco. Number 1. Tagine. Tagine, the quintessential Moroccan dish, is a feast for the senses. Named after the clay pot in which it's cooked, tagine is a slow-cooked stew that combines tender meat, fragrant spices, and a medley of vegetables. Whether it's a savory chicken tagine, a succulent lamb tagine, or a hearty vegetable tagine, each variation captures the essence of Moroccan cuisine in every flavorful bite. Number 2. Couscous. Couscous, often referred to as Morocco's national dish, is a symbol of hospitality and togetherness in Moroccan culture. This fine-grained semolina is steamed to perfection and served with a richly flavored stew of vegetables, meat, or fish. Whether enjoyed as a hearty meal with family or shared with friends during festive occasions, couscous embodies the spirit of Moroccan hospitality and communal dining. Number 3. Pastilla. Pastilla is a culinary masterpiece that beautifully combines sweet and savory flavors. Layers of thin dough encase a filling of tender pigeon meat, almonds, and aromatic spices, creating a delicate balance of textures and tastes. Originally served as a festive dish during special occasions, pastilla has become a beloved street food favorite, offering a taste of Moroccan elegance and sophistication. Number 4. Harira. Harira, a traditional Moroccan soup, holds a special place in the hearts of Moroccans, especially during the holy month of Ramadan. This hearty soup is a flavorful blend of tomatoes, lentils, chickpeas, and spices, offering nourishment and comfort to those fasting during the day. Served with a squeeze of lemon and a sprinkle of fresh herbs, harira is more than just a soup. It's a symbol of unity, compassion, and tradition. Number 5. Meshwi. Meshwi, a celebration of Moroccan grilling traditions, is a feast for the senses. Tender lamb, seasoned with a blend of spices and herbs, is spit, roasted to perfection, resulting in succulent meat that's crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. Whether enjoyed at a festive gathering or savored as a street food treat, meshwi showcases the artistry and skill of Moroccan cuisine. Number 6. Msamen and begrir. Msamen and begrir are two types of Moroccan pancakes that delight with their unique textures and flavors. Msamen is a crispy pancake folded and fried to perfection, while begrir boasts a spongy texture that's perfect for soaking up honey, butter, or jam. Whether enjoyed for breakfast or as a sweet snack on the streets of Morocco, msamen and begrir offer a taste of Moroccan hospitality and warmth. Number 7. Merguez. Merguez, spicy lamb or beef sausages, are a beloved street food staple in Morocco. Seasoned with a fiery blend of spices including paprika, cumin, and chili peppers, Merguez sausages are grilled to perfection, offering a flavorful and aromatic experience. Whether enjoyed on their own, with bread, or in a sandwich, Merguez is a must-try for those seeking a taste of Morocco's vibrant street food culture. Number 8. Dates. Dates, known as the fruit of paradise in Moroccan culture, hold a special place in Moroccan cuisine. These sweet and nutritious fruits are used in a variety of dishes and desserts, offering a natural and healthy indulgence. Whether enjoyed on their own or incorporated into savory tagines or sweet pastries, dates are a staple of Moroccan street food and a symbol of prosperity and hospitality. Number 9. Snail soup. Snail soup might sound unconventional to some, but in Morocco, it's a beloved street food favorite, especially during the cooler evenings. This flavorful soup features tender snails simmered in a fragrant broth, seasoned with a blend of spices and herbs. Served piping hot with a squeeze of lemon and a sprinkle of fresh cilantro, snail soup offers a unique and adventurous culinary experience that's not to be missed. Number 10. Zalouk. Zalouk is a delightful eggplant and tomato salad that's bursting with flavors. Slow cooked until tender, eggplant is combined with ripe tomatoes, garlic, and a blend of spices to create a vibrant and aromatic salad. Served as a side dish or spread on crusty bread, zalouk offers a refreshing and satisfying accompaniment to Moroccan meals. Number 11. Kefta. Kefta, grilled spiced meat skewers, are a favorite among meat lovers in Morocco. Seasoned with a blend of aromatic spices and herbs, the juicy and flavorful meat is skewered and grilled to perfection. Whether served with bread or stuffed into a sandwich, kefta offers a satisfying and delicious street food experience that's sure to please the palate. Number 12. Sardines. Freshly grilled or fried sardines are a popular seafood option in Morocco, especially in coastal regions. Marinated with a blend of spices and herbs, the tender and flavorful sardines are grilled to perfection over an open flame. Served with a squeeze of lemon and a sprinkle of fresh herbs, grilled sardines showcase the abundance of fresh and delicious seafood available in Moroccan markets. Number 13. Ma'akouda. Ma'akouda, crispy potato fritters, are a beloved street food snack in Morocco. Made with mashed potatoes seasoned with aromatic spices and herbs, the golden brown fritters are fried until crispy and served piping hot. Whether enjoyed on their own or stuffed into sandwiches, ma'akouda offers a savory and satisfying street food experience that's perfect for snacking on the go. Number 14. Shabakia. Shabakia, deep-fried sesame cookies, are a staple during the holy month of Ramadan in Morocco. Shaped into intricate designs, the crispy cookies are dipped in honey and sprinkled with sesame seeds, offering a sweet and indulgent treat. Whether enjoyed with a cup of Moroccan mint tea or as a dessert on their own, shabakia is a delicious and festive addition to any meal. Number 15. Moroccan mint tea, atay. No journey through Moroccan street food is complete without experiencing the ritual of Moroccan mint tea, also known as atay. This refreshing and aromatic tea is brewed with fresh mint leaves and sweetened to perfection with sugar or honey. Served in a traditional teapot and poured from a height to create a frothy layer, Moroccan mint tea reflects the warmth, hospitality, and artistry of Moroccan culture. Moroccan street food is a symphony of flavors, textures, and traditions that captivates and delights food lovers from around the world. From the iconic tagine and couscous to the adventurous snail soup and the sweet indulgence of shabakia, each dish tells a story of Moroccan heritage and culinary artistry. Exploring the bustling medinas and souks, you'll encounter a vibrant world of aromas and flavors that awaken the senses and offer a unique glimpse into Moroccan daily life. Whether it's enjoying a savory pastilla in the heart of Marrakech or savoring freshly grilled sardines by the sea in Essaouira, Moroccan street food offers an unforgettable culinary adventure. So, Pack your appetite and embark on a gastronomic journey through the streets of Morocco. Discover the rich flavors, experience the warmth of Moroccan hospitality, and create memories that will last a lifetime. If you enjoyed this culinary tour of Moroccan street food, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow food lovers. We'd love to hear about your favorite Moroccan street food experiences, so please share your thoughts and stories in the comments below. Thank you for joining us on this flavorful adventure, and until next time, happy eating.